Rob here of BNXPH, and today we'll be unboxing the SE-224-XT by ID Cooling. Let's check this out. I bought this in Lazada for 1,500 pesos, and among the coolers of this price range, this is the most decent looking one. Inside the box, you'll be greeted by the user manual. I highly suggest reading this, especially if you're new to building PCs. The box of accessories is something we'll get into later on in the video, so stay tuned. You also get the white LED fan, and of course the heatsink. I like the way how ID Cooling made this not look cheap at all. Make sure to remove the sticker on the bottom of the heatsink before you attach it to your motherboard. Now let's move on to the accessory box. You get 2 pairs of fan clips in the event you want to add an extra fan. I don't think that's necessary. LGA screws. You also get mounting brackets, a bag of AM4 screws, standoffs, and titanium nuts, LGA backplate, and your thermal paste. There's really nothing special about this cooler, but it is good for 1,500 pesos. Doesn't even look too cheap at all. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. Peace.